We got a 2022 XM3 BMW. Check out the stickers. This guy's definitely in F1. All right, so this is an axle back system. So from the axle all the way back, 304 brushed stainless steel. Here's a little muffler, gives it that nice deep tone. On the website, I think it says it gives it like 8 horsepower, so a little bit more power with this. We have, it is valve controlled. Let's talk about that for a second. We have DJ installing these computer controlled exhaust valves. Take a look inside those things real quick. Now these limit noise during low speed driving, and they open up fully during high-low conditions. These things are twin exhaust valves, and they're like about 76 millimeters in diameter. And finally, these Dinan matte black tips. These things go hard, yo. Try to get it on top, Jay, you see that? Let me know what you guys think in the comments. All right, we're gonna fire her up. We just checked for leaks. Completely bolt-on system. Let me know what you think.